Kernel SQLite Database Recovery software removes corruption from all kinds of database files created in various versions of SQLite databases. It recognizes each type of database and scans them one at a time. First, start the software by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop and it will open instantly. The database selection wizard opened by default and allows you to select the corrupt database file. Click on the Browse button and go to the location where the database is present. Select it and click on the Recover button to initiate the scanning. The scanning is swift and later all the folders present in the database are listed in the left-hand side window. You can select on any folder and its content will come live instantly. You can check their preview easily. If any folder was empty earlier, then it will remain empty in the preview mode too. Furthermore, the software does not limit the content in the preview mode. If any table has several thousand entries, then it will showcase them completely. You can also check index details too. After checking the items, if you do not select the folders by clicking checkbox and click on Save button, then it will show the message that please select objects to save. Select the objects through checkboxes and then click on Save button. Click on Browse button and select the folder to save recovered items in same database format. Then, click OK. The data will save quickly and show the message that saving done is successfully. Click OK. At last, click on the close icon to terminate the application. To know more about the tool, please visit the given link. Have a nice day.